I still don't like that countdown. I wish they would put the old one back. Okay, yeah, I'm a little bit late. I'm 5 minutes late. Sorry about it. So, as I say down in the thing below, I'm not exactly sure if Inner City Press is going to be at the Diddy hearing pre-trial conference today, or if he's going to be at the Mayor Adams one. There is apparently a schedule conflict where both of these trials have stuff happening right now. So I am on his God, he stays busy, y'all. I'm on his Twitter right now. So I'll just be refreshing. Oh, here, let me show y'all. There you go. Now he did tweet 13 minutes ago. Again, it was about the Eric Adams case. He also broke the news 17 minutes ago that the judge in the Blake, Lively, Justin, Baldoni, Jones, Abel progeny of cases, that judge has issued an order on the protective order. I did start reading it. One packet of information. It's the memorandum in order is 22 pages long. And then there's also another like 9-page order. So I don't really want to speak on it quite just yet. But yeah, Inner City Press, Matthew Russell Lee, he did come out and announce that about 20 minutes ago. Y'all make sure that you are over there following him on Patreon. He does provide court updates like that. You know, he's sitting in court for another case. Let me pull this up. It always starts glitching. Hold on. Maybe he is scurrying off to the court right now. It technically doesn't start for another 2 minutes. This is the docket. I want to draw something to your attention. As you can see here, we have 2 brand new documents on the docket. Document number 175 and document number 176. Now, the last thing we saw on the Diddy docket was this endorsed letter, meaning like the judge did sign it, allowing Diddy's side to file an extended, a larger than usual brief. Now, what the meeting, the hearing, the conference is about today, there are a few things that are going to come up, but the most important thing that comes to my mind right now that is definitely supposed to be discussed at the hearing today. Again, I am toggling it back and forth to Matthew Russell Lee, aka Inner City Press Twitter account, because he usually live tweets from inside the courtroom. But right now, it doesn't appear that he has tweeted about the Diddy docket in the last few minutes. The most recent thing he did tweet was 16 minutes ago about a different case. So I'm going to give him a few minutes. The hearing hasn't even started yet officially on the time clock, and usually it takes the judge a good 15 minutes to get in there anyway. So we'll keep toggling back and forth. But what is supposed to be discussed today in the Diddy case, and what is supposed to be one of the important orders of business, is that Diddy is supposed to be, Sean P. Diddy Puff Daddy Combs, supposed to be arraigned on the superseding indictment. Now, not only has there been one superseding indictment filed by the feds against Diddy, but there have actually been 2. Okay, and this is going to bring to the forefront something extremely important, and it webs in with the rest of the web. I would like to break it. The people who are here in this live right now, we are waiting for Matthew Russell Lee, excuse me, Inner City Press to tweet. I don't know if he is even going to tweet. This may be a moot point over here. But Breaking news. I do want to let y'all know, you heard it here first because I definitely didn't see anything about it in the news. I already made a video about it and the video is going to be coming out tonight. But I would like to announce, put a 1 in the chat to celebrate, put an emoji in the chat to celebrate. Innocent till proven guilty. But you heard it here first. TriStar Sports and Entertainment, the company owned by Lou Taylor, the one that was Britney Spears' business manager during the conservatorship, the one that is apparently still P. Diddy, Sean P. Diddy, Puff Daddy Combs' business manager. TriStar Sports and Entertainment has been officially named as a co-defendant alongside Sean P. Diddy, Puff Daddy Combs, Bad Boy Records in a civil suit. And it is the civil suit filed by none other than Dawn Richard. Do you remember when she sued back in September? She was in Danity Kane. She was on Making the Band. She was in Diddy Dirty Money. She already sued. She amended her complaint and it just was filed as of yesterday. Hadn't seen it in the news. Hadn't seen it on YouTube. I got a video. It's going to be coming out. 5 years I've been dealing with this. 4 years ago was whenever she tried to hire my law firm, the law firm I was working at, to try to make me stop making videos about her business conflicts of interest. Sometimes it is very difficult to be that many years early because I was called everything but a child of God. Again, innocent until proven guilty. This is not criminal, but I have an analysis coming out on that. But if you were one of the 497 people in here right now, you heard it here first. Mark it down in your diary. Okay, let's see Matthew, Inner City Press, if he's saying anything. Again, y'all, no promises because I don't know if he's going to be in the Diddy one or if he's going to be in the Eric Adams one, but I figured I would be in here to update y'all just in case. Posts. I'm on the replies. I don't know which one he's going to be on, y'all. So I can show you back to the docket. Okay, so what they're going to be talking about here. Okay, so the reason I wanted to bring up this Dawn Richard amended complaint is because I can't help but notice, y'all know I'm a pattern recognizer. I can't help but notice the pattern in dates. Okay, so Sean P. Diddy Puff Daddy Combs had a superseding indictment on March 6th. Now, March 6th is also, just if you're keeping track of the Wendy timeline, the same exact date that the lawyers for Sabrina the Guardian sent a letter to the Breakfast Club, but then the Breakfast Club just sat on that letter for 6 days. That's kind of a totally separate story. But in my mind, all the dates, like I can't separate these cases. It's a web. March 6th is also the date that Diddy got superseding indictment number. Well, I don't remember which one it was, but one of the superseding indictments. Okay. I think it's the second one. But if you will recall, if you've been keeping up with this Diddy case, the most recent superseding indictment, SI2, that was reported all about in the news and on YouTube and everywhere else. What the major big addition is on this P. Diddy allegation by the feds, this is the criminal case, is something having to do with forced labor, like in an employment context. So today, one of the issues up for discussion, one of the business points of order is Diddy is supposed to plead guilty or not guilty. He has an arraignment hearing today. On the superseding indictment. Really was on the first superseding indictment, but now another one done superseded that one. So he's supposed to plead guilty or not guilty today in court. The hearing that on the calendar started 4 minutes ago. If you're just joining, thank you so much. Hit the like. 53 seconds ago, okay, he is not tweeting about Diddy. This is not making me hopeful. So he's tweeting about Trump. I hope that Matthew Russell Lee is going to cover this, but I do understand he has, obviously has a lot going on. Let me go back to this over here and just finish telling you all this part at least so we can set the stage for what's even going to go on today. If you're just joining, there's been a superseding indictment you might have heard about. There was one on, it was on the 6th. March 6th. Now, on March 10th, there was an order. Oh, yeah, it's now going to be. Is this thing tomorrow? Girl, maybe that's why nobody's talking about it. It wasn't today. Joint letter due by 3/13. Girl, did I read it long? No. Conference set for 3. Oh, I'm a day early. Thank God. Well, girl, that might be why Matthew Russell Lee. You love Lucifer? I read all these 13s. Okay, well, we a day early, y'all. I guess that's better than being a day late. Okay. Y'all need to go and read Matthew Russell Lee's stuff. So I guess that's the update. So let me finish telling y'all what to expect tomorrow, so we can be ready to jump on the wagon. Thank God I don't have to do this live today, though, honestly. I mean, I'm going to do a little live because we're here. But, okay, so there was an order, most recent thing. Let's catch up. Order conference scheduled for March 14th. It's now going to take place at 2 in the courtroom, the Patrick Moynihan, by Thursday at 12 p.m. So just today. That's what these. Okay. So they were supposed to meet and confer and file a joint letter on any matters that need to be addressed at the conference. It is ordered, endorsed letter. So what are these two, though, y'all? Sealed document? I guess the judge is letting yeah, we early, y'all. Seriously. We early. We getting set up. So what are all of the charges? Okay, so still have jet lag. No, I just read this wrong. Look, see, it says 3:13, 12 p.m. No, the thing is tomorrow. I got to change my title. But what are these two sealed documents placed in the vault? I'm so sick of these sealed documents, to be honest with you. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be the hearing, girl, and we've been ready before anyone. I was like, why is literally no one streaming this? No one's talking about this. Nobody tells me no. Now y'all can really tell I don't have a Discord telling me what to do. Now that's proof. We early, exactly. So usually I'm late. I know, and I'm like, oh, sorry, I'm 5 minutes late. So what we can expect tomorrow is the superseding indictment arraignment. Diddy is going to be pleading guilty or not guilty, and it has to do with additional charges relating to a forced labor claim. And there are some recent, as of yesterday, allegations and updates about similar allegations about forced labor, being locked in a room. Those allegations were filed on March 10th. That was the same day that the Enterprise letter was due. The Enterprise letter for Diddy is supposedly who else was working with him on the Enterprise. So it just raises the question in my mind. Is Lou Taylor / TriStar Sports and Entertainment included on the Enterprise letter? I mean, I don't know because it's sealed from us, but I hope to find out soon. I'm going to go finish editing that video and getting it up for tonight. I have another investigation coming out on BJ Investigates as well, and I will see y'all tomorrow for the correct time, and hopefully Matthew Russell Lee is going to be covering it. In the meantime, facts ain't defamation. I love you, mean. Okay, bye.